Ladies and gentlemen, we are here today to explain how our product, ceramic fluid, bonds to high friction engine parts, and when this is accomplished, friction is greatly reduced and harmonic noises change drastically. This is what you will see in here. Okay. The results being a cleaner burning, higher fuel economy running engine. First that we're going to talk about is a few items on the machine. The first item is the oil bath, which handles the oils. It will handle gear oil or engine oil, and then the applied treatment, which will be under test. Next is the dial indicator here, which is in kilograms, and it has increments of 1 through 20. And then we have an amp gauge, which measures the current. As the motor is running and the bearing is under test, the more pressure applied, the higher the current to keep it rotating. So you'll be able to see the both work at the same time. First thing that we do is add the oil to the bath, and it doesn't matter what kind of oil. Take your choice, synthetic or regular types of oils, it doesn't matter. And then what we're going to do is turn it on and let it lubricate for a while. And you can hear the noises it makes just from basically no pressure applied whatsoever, just the bearing touching the surface of the race and it rotating. Now what we're going to do is apply a little bit of pressure, and you're going to hear noises start to and that's a stall point, and that drives the current all the way hot to the top. It stops the motor, and it means that the metal has galled together. And our next operation is going to be to add the fluid, our ceramic fluid. Shake it up first. Make sure it's mixed. And then we'll add approximately 10% to this little oil bath. And we turn it back on again and let her mix. That's interesting. And as the temperatures rise and the parts get warm, the ceramic begins to adhere and penetrate into the porous parts of the metal. And you can hear now the changes in the sounds that it makes once the ceramic is being applied. This was the area where it galled before, so we're going to put quite a bit of pressure in this area to force the ceramic to bond. And now we'll do a little test. We'll go right on by, and as you can see, we did not stall but kept spinning. And now what we'll do is we'll do what everybody else does, and we'll take the oil away and the product, and we'll leave what's on the bearing and race there, and we'll turn it back on, and we'll just run approximately the same pressure the way it was when it was being lubricated. And this time all it has left is what oil is on the bearing. And as you can see, variations, it tends to just keep on spinning. Even the current meter is just barely moving. So that's a good sign. Thank you very much. That's the end of our test.